Welcome to a mental projection journey with the 7D White Arcturians. They want you to remember them, but they want you to remember your own 7D White Arcturian Starseed aspect. So this is the intention of this mental projection journey. Let's begin. Bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a white torus field in the front, in the back, pulsating fractal of coherence, strings of energy merging in harmony. Everything is vibrating faster. Each cells, they have their own torus field vibrating in coherence, in harmony, in oneness. Bring the currents in the back of your heart. In your arms, your hands, your fingers. And we are moving to my Octahedron temple. It's a four-sided crystal glass pyramid with another one under reverse. Together they create an octahedron. Right now it's all white, pure white source. And there's a white flame in the center. And we are gathering, creating a circle all around this white flame. My White Arcturian aspect, embodying a king archetype with a golden crown, white long wardrobe with golden ribbon, is welcoming the collective. And right away, you are embodying your White Arcturian aspect. We are holding hands. We are looking on the left and right, acknowledging each other, remembering each other with excitement, love. And we start circulating white light, receiving it from our left hand, moving to our left arm, our heart, and giving back to our right arm, right hand. It's circulating around the collective. And then we start sending a white light from our heart to the center, to the central flame. And it starts swirling and transforming into a massive white gemstone that is emerging above the flame. And this white gemstone is our current collective heart, becoming one heart. And in this gemstone, there is pure consciousness. This gemstone is alive. It's a being. And this being starts showing us memories of our past Arcturian incarnation. Through the gemstone, we can see holograms of different moments of our Arcturian life. Feel it, receive it. We are activating your DNA, activating your brain, reprogramming your soul star chakra above your head, and you are receiving these downloads entering your brain, downloading your cosmic DNA. Now we are welcoming a massive White Arcturian from the 9th dimension, embodying a Lord archetype. It's a male Arcturian. It is at least 2-3 times taller than all of us. And we are bowing to this being with pure respect, knowing that this being is embodying the next level of light, next level of ascension. We admire and we are inspired by this being. This being is in the center of our collective, tall, and it starts shooting white light through his hand down. It is so tall that it's sending down 45 degrees to all of us, this white light. We are receiving it in our third eye. And we go into a state of hypnosis, a state of trance. Not understanding what's happening, but knowing that this is a massive upgrade. Remembering, receive fully. It's entering your third eye, your forehead, going down to all your physical body, every cells, every gene, every DNA. Every chakra, every subtle bodies. You can feel around your physical body a vertical oval egg, a capsule that is englobing all your 7 subtle bodies. And this capsule is becoming pure, dense, white light of non-dual source. There's a flock of white dragon coming in, floating above, helping us clear the container. Bring all this energy down into your legs, your feet. Open the chakra under your feet. And imagine that you're shooting all these downloads, all these light codes of pure white light down into different layers of Mother Earth. You are anchoring it here on Earth to subconsciously activate all star seeds, and specifically all White Arcturian starseed here on Earth. With this ceremony, this container, we are activating the grid of Mother Earth with these downloads that everybody start remembering subconsciously, and they receive synchronicities in their life, memories in their dreams, downloads in their meditation. Towards allowing us to gather more and more in the ether, to do more powerful grid work, light work, but to eventually meet up in person as a collective, celebrating all together this grand mission that we've been planning for a long time. The central gemstone is splitting, cracking in tiny pieces, and we all receive a tiny piece back into our heart in the front. And we keep this as a gift of this activation, this container. We look at each other as we close this container. Bring your palms on your chest, opening the chakra in your palms, feeling the warmth of your heart. And we bow to each other in respect, humility, compassion, love, and light. Thank you so much for this beautiful mental projection, this beautiful activation. Please share with your friends. Thank you.